What you got there, Poppy?
We got a 2016 367 Peterbilt. It's a heavy spec. This thing's got 46 rears, 550 Cummins, 18 speed, double frame, 16 gauges, you know, view gauges, and then, of course, you put your little button, and you got like 6 more. So bringing us out to like 22 total gauges. But here's the cool thing with this sucker. This is dual differential locks, and I mean, these are true. So this is just a standard 4x, gives you 1 tire in the front, 1 tire in the back. And then this will lock up fully the front drive, and then this will lock up fully the back drive, to where everything is pulling and turning and doing what it's supposed to, right? All right, let's go for a ride. Here we go. Whee! Uh-oh. Just got it nice and pretty, and I'm spinning tires on the dirt. You know what that means. I'm going to have to get back out there and clean it again. Let go, and it steers really nice, pretty straight is what a truck should do. It's not pulling left and right. The AC is just at 103 degrees out today.
Yes.
103 degrees, and we're pretty comfortable. These are Texas skyscrapers right here. Back on down. Back on down. Johnny Law sitting right down there somewhere. At 80 mile an hour, we were doing right about 2,000 RPM. So that is not the meant for the triple digits by any means, but you're going to get up that hill without having to shift too many gears. There is no way I'd buy this truck for a driver of mine. They'd have too many tickets.
Too many tickets.
Oh yeah. I had one going across that I-10 headed for California once, and I had him in a large car and going into a customer of mine, and DOT got him coming down that curve hill at 102, 103, and he said the only reason why he got pulled over was because the windshield was cracked and I need to pay the bill. No, I didn't have that driver long after that. And he was a good driver too, man. That's the bad thing about it. Those good super truckers, you know, if they can do triple digit, guaranteed they will. But, so that's why we got governors. Keep us right in mind.
Was this truck governed?
Yeah, this one's governed at 90.
Oh, it's governed at 90.
Yeah, let's stop at 90. But that is not recommended, Mr. Truck Driver. You know that tires ain't meant for over 75 mile an hour. And Chinese rubber is 70. I bet you didn't know that one, did you? Alright, there we go. Listen to them gears fly. Watch me now. Behind my back. That's it. We're at 90. So, whoa, that's a jet brake now.
I mean.
Wow. Okay, that was impressive. That brought us back 30 mile an hour. We got down to 60 just now. And you couldn't even hardly hear it. I mean, most of the time, but nah, this thing's quiet. It's quiet. I guess all the newer trucks are quiet, but less decibels the better. I kind of missed the loud, obnoxious ones, but yeah, I get it, you know. But it is impressive. I enjoy enjoyed that, Jake. This morning we have a 2016 367 that we're going to be taking back home. Yeah. We just got through picking up our little step deck and loading up a couple of axles for another rig. And well, we got 350 miles to drive with this beautiful machine. It's got a 550 Cummins, 18 speed. It's 14.6 fronts, 46,000 rears, making like a 60,000 some change gross weight. The motor is just phenomenal. I mean, when you get to pulling it, of course I was just driving bobtail yesterday, but pulling the step today should be a little bit of fun. Of course, I don't take quite the payload you boys out there do, but I got a couple of rear axles. Maybe the DOT might pull me over for doing commerce, but actually, it should be a lot of fun today, and we're really looking forward to giving it a little bit more spit shine and making it ready for a good home in the near future. So stay tuned, and thank you for visiting our website. You know what this button is for?
What?
That's the passenger eject button.
Oh no. I'll be good.
Opens the door and flips the seat out.